And there's Christine in front, and Trent, and they're practicing right now. But I think this team is definitely going to beat Jürgen. Callan's recording.
Okay.
Whoa, there's some good hitting.
Stop doing it, Will. Then they'll know. Liz, kill the fish.
Thank you.
There's your gun.
Not the flowers. Not the dirt.
There's them playing volleyball. I think the kids are going to definitely win.
Give me it.
Well, we gotta move around. Surprise you.
There's Starlin. There's Starlin.
Talent. Talent.
Okay. Ready? You guys gotta be ready.
Talon, go right in front of your dad and get a big head in his picture.
What'd you tell him?
Okay.
Get a big face of him.
Up here. Okay.
I'm not. I'm not. I'm not ready.
Oh.
There they are.
Now, don't move around so much. Good shot.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Oh, be quiet, man.
Wait.
Right in the middle of playing volleyball.
Make a story.
Talon, come over here on this side.
Hey, Talon. Hey, Talon. Talon, look. Hey, oh, can I record? I know how. No. I know how.
Oh, he's taking a break. One over
Can
here.
I record? I know how.
No, get in.
But I know how to do this.
No, you don't. Look
Yeah, I
at that.
do. Come on, Cricket. Every next one I'll hit. Daylight come on, we want go.
There's Mom cooking dinner.
Daylight come and we want go home.
There's
Me said it, me said it, me said it.
Jürgen.
Daylight come and we want go home. He said it, he said it.
Good shot. Okay, next exercise.
No, I like this one.
Serving.
Okay, that's
Everybody
easy.
serve.
Me.
Take turns. Now you get in a row. You start with you.
That-
You serve over to me.
said it, he said it.
Over the net. Okay, serve like this.
My turn.
There's a house.
Okay, do another one. Better do three
Ow.
serves.
Strike one.
Playing volleyball. Nice team.
Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go down to Coco? Take
Okay,
it step
free
back,
serve.
then we'll take it.
Good shot. Okay, another one.
How many did she get?
3.
There's the backyard.
Watch us, we're
Okay.
funny.
Starling, get over there. Get back in the line.
Watch mine. Hey,
Gotta be in
Talon,
bounds.
get this.
All
One,
right. 1.
two,
Yeah.
three.
Okay, next. 3 serves.
No,
One.
scoot over.
Over a little bit more that side.
Scoot up, I got it.
Get them in, Trent. They're important. You have to get all your serves.
Hey, I know you. Aren't you that guy on
Pay attention.
Camcorder,
Good
that
job.
movie?
One more.
I know you.
Okay.
You look
Go.
familiar. Oh, hi, Mari.
Here, catch. No.
Hi, Talon. Hi, Jürgen.
Serve. Okay, serve the ball.
You said it.
Your right arm hit it. There you go, like that. Perfect. All right, again.
Time. You want to
Okay.
get funny pictures?
Hit it again.
Sue, make me disappear out over there. Ready?
All right, now the little hold it and hit it. There you
I
go. You
scooped
did
to
real
the end
good.
of the line, guys. You guys already served.
Can I film?
Come on, Trent. Talon, come record us. Montego, baby, why don't we go down to
All right.
Kyle, over here. You're
Okay.
supposed to be before see some net.
Go ahead and serve.
There's Starlin.
You're right. Oh my gosh.
One more.
Wow, who's that dude with the camera?
Okay.
Sitting on a skateboard and
All right.
fighting with it?
Talon serve.
stomach.
Talon, you hit it like this. Okay, watch.
Wait.
You're
Here, you need this. Pick up.
practicing.
Pick up
Talon,
that.
let me have it. Talon,
Down, you're serving.
over here. Like this. Watch this.
Icaro.
Hold the ball with your left hand.
Hey, Trent.
Stay back to your right. Do it like that. Okay, hold it. Under like that. Push it up in the air, okay? There you go.
Once upon a time when Santa
Jurgen's
came to
chasing the ball all over the place because everybody's hitting it.
bicycle and 3 dollies.
And Starlin's
Good.
being a
Over
clown.
net, that was good. One more time.
Trent,
Get
look
over
at
the
his
net.
jokes. Once upon a time Santa Claus came
Think
to
he's
me.
Mr.
He
Joke.
gave me $1
Missed the
and
court. Was
3
outside.
dollies.
Was out. You
I
gotta
played
get
with
Hit it like this, Talon. Get your hands turned up like
my
this.
little pony, my little pony. Welcome to our
Other hand, other
ponyland.
Like that. Yeah, like
We're
that.
practicing pony ball.
Perfect. See how that went?
Pony ball.
Very try. One more time. Like that. Same way again.
Whoa, what's that little red blinking? Here, see the ball?
Okay.
Ah!
Last one. Good one.
Whoa!
Okay.
Look it, Arnold Schwarzenegger's behind him.
All right, guys. Let's split up the team.
Yes.
Starting over there. You two over here. You three over there. I'm gonna help you out.
Oh! My name's Jim in the holograms.
Ready? I'll play up here by the front by the net.
Come
Keep the
on,
ones that go
come on,
It looks like it's Starlin and who?
Ready?
4K
come on. I'm the
against Tara, Christine, and Talon.
Up, out of bounds. Look.
And Jurgen, I guess.
best.
Okay, start on service. Our point.
That was a hit.
Okay,
No, I
now
get
ours.
two serves.
No,
No.
you lost the ball. Our turn. Okay,
One just 1,000. We have 1,000. You guys have one.
you over here.
Hey, Trent.
Okay, yeah. Ready, guys?
Totally unremarkable.
That was out of bounds. Another one, just another chance.
Mr. Goof Off here.
Serve. Two chances to get the serve.
Everybody's going to.
Okay, there you go. Oh, good point. All right, they messed it
Got
up.
it.
Hey, is it getting dark out here, Talon? No, go get it again. You should toss it to us. We're playing.
Try tossing it.
No, you didn't. You hit it. Toss it to us. We don't have to run and go get it.
Is it?
Our point. No, our point. Go ahead. You serve it again.
Oh, I got.
All right.
Come on.
They mess up.
Watch the game.
Up, another one. All these points.
Don't get it when it goes out.
Throw it in
The
me,
ball
throw it in me.
again.
Okay. That's good. Good play.
I'm not used to this little court. It's normally
Well, I
higher
made a little
than.
so that kids wouldn't hit it hard. Hey, Talon.
Who's there?
We do.
Oh, that's. Hey, Trent.
Go back.
What you doing today?
Okay. Serve it. Ready? Here we go. Uh-oh. Lost it. Okay, your serve now.
Like this.
Easy. Don't hit it hard. Okay.
Now, touch the knife, get the ball.
Okay. You got it.
It's their ball. You're
Our
not
ball.
supposed to touch it when it goes down.
Hey, Trent.
Okay, guys. Come on. Speed. Try to help them out. Come over here with this. They need help.
This is me serving now. I mean, Jurgen's serving now, and this is me recording. See how good I am? I'm so perfect. Yes, we all know I'm the master.
Oh, what a hit up in the air. Too high.
Whoa!
Okay. Another chance. Oh,
They keep messing around with the ball, huh? They must like
go
it.
back. Okay. There we go. Another serve.
Jurgen's serving again. He's behind the tree. You can't see him.
Ready, guys?
Yeah.
Oh, try for the heart.
Way over there.
That was a good hit, but a little bit hard. Okay, guys, ready? Get it back to me now. Oh, that was overhand.
Ain't they fast?
Okay, ready? Here we go. All right, you got me on that one. Good shot.
Got it.
Ready?
Let's hit
Here
the
we
ball.
go. Oh, good.
Oops, wrong place.
Go ahead. Here we go.
Oops.
God. Bet somebody hit that.
Yes, sir.
What's up, Safari?
I can't circle.
Okay, ready, guys? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
We're ready in paradise. Get it.
Get it, hit it again. All right, nice try, Talon. Okay, one more time. Let's try that again.
Let's do it.
Okay, guys, come on. It's getting a little dark out here. Might be time to quit. Do this again tomorrow. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, Laura's serving. Get ready, Trent. Hit him a big one, Laura.
She looks pretty funny, huh?